Abameli balomsubathi wama-Paralympics bafuna ukuthi anikezwe isigwebo seminyaka emithathu eboshelwe endlini phecelezi house arrest kanye nokusebenzela umphakathi izinsuku ezimbili ngenyanga. Bamikwele ukuthi emajele akuleli antula izidingo zokubhekana nabantu abaphila nokukhubazeka. Kodwa umnyango wezokuhlunyiswa kwezimilo uzibhikisile lezi zinsolo. Obambe njengekhomishana kulomnyango uZak Modise uchaze ukuthi baye badwebe inhlelo ngesigwebo sesiboshwa ngasinye abasemukele emajele.
My lady, as I've indicated that within 6 hours on admission, there has to be done a health assessment. What are the needs of this person? And also within a period of 21 days, we then do a complete assessment that include security classification for us to be able to know exactly where to accommodate this person. We again look at his health needs, what treatment is undertaking and what treatment can be afforded, but also look at what are his social and psychological needs. We then determine at the end, once we have done that assessment, where this particular person has to be placed.
Umodise uvumile ukuthi zikhona izinkinga ngaphakathi emajele. Khona manjalo ekseni namhlanje umzala kaRiver Steenkamp uKim Martin utshele inkantolo ukuthi uPistorius kufanele ajeze ngesenzo sakhe.
My lady, I really believe the accused, Mr. Pistorius, needs to pay for what he has done. My family are not people who are seeking revenge. We just feel that to take someone's life, to shoot somebody behind a door that is unarmed, that is harmless, needs sufficient punishment.
Umehluleli uThokozile Masipa ubhekene nomsebenzi onzima ukunquma ngesigwebo esifanele kuPistorius.